Hello everyone. Welcome to my video editing tutorial channel. Today I will show you how to remove background without green screen using Filmora. Let's begin the tutorial. Import an aeroplane image and a video. If you can't find this particular types of image and video, don't worry. I've included the link in the video description. Add the image to the timeline. Add the video to the below track. Flip the image. Because I need to change the direction of the image. Reduce the size of the image and rotate it slightly. At the starting point of the playhead, set the position of the image accordingly. Add the first keyframe at the starting point of the image. Move the playhead position, and change the position and size of the image. At this point, the image should be out of the screen. It looks like the person is sitting behind the airplane. Actually, the airplane will run behind the person. As a solution, I will add the same video to the top of the track and remove the background. Add the same video again at the top of the image. Go to AI Tools, and enable the chroma key to remove the sky color. Simply select the pen tool and choose the color to remove. If I remove the video track below, then you will see that the sky color is removed. Remove additional parts of the video. That's all for this tutorial. Export the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.